bird's eye view. You don't have to talk to us, James. It's well within your rights not to. You can keep quiet, wait for your lawyer. Makes no difference to me. Does it bother you when I call you James? I know you're Jimmy to your friends, to Mark and Tobin and the rest of the boys, but you strike me as a James when things get serious. I was the same when I was younger, when I was your age. Sandy to everybody, even my parents. But the minute I put a toe out of line, I became Sandra. Still makes me flinch to hear my own name. I suppose what you should be thinking about, James, is whether or not Mark and Tobin are being quite so silent in the other rooms, quite so loyal to you. I wonder if I stop talking for a moment, you might hear them talking through the walls about tonight, about what you did. You see, at some point the silence does start to hurt you. Makes you look guilty, especially when you're the only one protecting the others. We have found evidence that your car was stopped along that roadway. We have DNA linking Tobin to the scene, and we can put you in Mark's car with Tobin using security footage from the gas station you stopped at. If you're going to say anything tonight, now is the time. We were changing a tire, said Tobin. Exactly the same spot as whatever happened. I asked Mark, and he confirmed in his own offensive manner of speaking. 1 in a million odds, plain bad luck. They even agreed that it was you who changed the tire, no doubt due to your 18 months experience at your uncle's garage. So will you give yourself a hand, James? Will you at least confirm your friend's story? Were you changing a tire at the same spot those young people happened to die this very same night? That would be a start. Good. Nice to see you doing yourself a favor. Here's what's happening next. I'm going to draw a car on this sheet of paper from a bird's eye view, and then you're going to circle the tire on the car you changed. And if it's the same one that Mark and Tobin circled, you're free to go. How does that sound?